Now this is a really tiny church, and I don't know how old it is, but it looks pretty old. But it's definitely Catholic now, and it's sort of, the inside sort of treated kind of strangely, but I thought that maybe if I took this, we could figure out what's going on. This is the original, and this is what they're going to build behind it. And this is the map. I don't know. I mean, it looks like a really, really old church.